how to fix upload error in NanoBanana.AI. In today's video, I'm going to guide through this process step by step. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, open your preferred web browser and go to NanoBanana.AI website. I'm already inside it. Once you're inside, make sure that you have logged into your account before uploading the image. Now, if you are trying to upload the image and it shows the error, here are the few things you can try to fix it. I really don't have that problem, but I'll be guiding you what can be done. So let's get this started. The first thing that you can do is check your file format. NanoBanana.AI usually supports standard images like JPG or PNG. If you are trying to upload something else, convert it before uploading. Second, check the file size. If the image is too large, the upload may fail. Try resizing or compressing your image. Third, refresh the page and try again. Sometimes the website just needs to reload. And fourth, switch to the different browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, as a browser compatibility can sometimes cause the upload errors. Fifth, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or a slow connection can prevent uploads from working. If none of these steps work, the issue might be the NanoBanana.AI server. In that case, wait for a while and try it again later. So that's how we can fix the upload error in NanoBanana.AI. I hope this video was helpful. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.